Hey Theo, let me see if I can help you with this problem. They want us to write the following fraction greater than 1 as the sum of two products. I'm going to state that a little bit more simplistic for you, okay, buddy? First off, this fraction is bigger than 1 because there's more than one whole here. See how there's two extra sections? So when I count this up, one whole is divided into 1, 2, 3 pieces. So that becomes our denominator. I'm going to write that down. But there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces total. So that fraction is 5/3, which is greater than one whole. And this is what we call an improper fraction, where the numerator is bigger than the denominator, and it's a bigger fraction. They want us to write this fraction, a fraction greater than 1, as the sum of two products. So then they want us to break this down into what could sum means add, and they want us to come up with two fractions that could add up to 5/3. There's a ton of ways you could do this, Theo. You could do 1/3, whoopsies, 1/3 plus 4/3, because if I broke it into here's 1/3, here's 1, 2, 3, 4/3. When I put them all together, I get 5/3. You could break it down that way. You could also break it down into, I could have said 5/3, and decompose those into the two products and the two parts as 2/3 and 3/3. Does not matter which answer I come up with, either one would be fine. But we took an improper fraction, which is a fraction greater than one whole, and I broke it up into the sum. Here's my sum, the two pieces that make that fraction. Same idea with the next one you have. Now it is greater than one whole because it goes over the one whole mark is right here, but they broke it up into different pieces. So we have to look at how much one is broken up into, and it's broken into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and that becomes my denominator. And how many there are colored in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my fraction greater than one whole is this improper fraction 6/4. And then I can just break that down into tons of different opportunities. There's lots of answers I could give, but I could do 3/4 plus 3/4. And I'll show you on the picture. That'd be 1, 2, 3. That would be this 3/4. And 1, 2, 3. This 3/4. And they add up to be 6/4. There's also other possibilities too. Sure hope this helps you out, Mr. Theo.